Hulk machine got some TikTok rock lights. They're on a remote. But the problem is that when you push the button on the remote, since they're all different, they're on like the same frequency with the remote, but you can't keep them all on the same flashing thing. So like, push the button, and these ones are doing different stuff than the other ones. See? But I guess that's what makes it pretty cool. And they work on vibration too. You can set them to where they work on vibration so they don't do anything. And then when you're driving, they turn on by themselves. Pretty cool, I guess. For $7. So yeah, if you guys want them, just look on TikTok. Whatever. Something dumb. But it's cool, I guess. Alright, have a good day.